If your operation serves mixed drinks and prides itself on service, then the Hamilton Beach Rio Bar blender is for you. Designed to blend a variety of drinks, it features a 32-ounce stainless steel jar, perfect for high-volume output. The blender features Hamilton Beach's patented wave action technology, which provides fast and perfect blending of every ingredient. Designed to process 25 to 49 drinks per day, the Rio Bar Blender increases productivity by blending a 16-ounce drink within 20 seconds. Bartenders will love using the 2-speed settings with pulse option, which allows for greater control over the drink's consistency. You can even add ingredients during operation thanks to the removable filler cap. For safety, non-skid feet secure the base so the unit doesn't move while blending. Plus, for easy cleaning, the bowl and blade are both easily detached. If you serve mixed drinks, you need a reliable and consistent blender, and the Hamilton Beach Rio Bar Blender is just that.